All right, now let's talk about a couple fun facts about these towel warmers. First, how's the best way to fold your towel in order to have it dry the fastest? Well, what you need to do is you want to fold it not 2 ways like this, but you actually want to fold it 4 ways. So you want 4 folds like that, or you want 4 folds if you want a long vertical one, which is best for this towel rack if you only have 2 towels, and you want to fold it like that. That actually causes it to build up and retain more heat, kind of radiating from the inside to the outside of the towel, and ends up drying even faster than we did on the test. Second fun fact is that this towel warmer, because it's creating heat in the bathroom, and I actually touch it here, it feels quite warm to the touch. It is creating warmth and heat and drying out your room as well as the towel. How much it dries out your room is, we haven't tested that, but in the Pacific Northwest, it is very common to have mold and mildew issues in your bathroom because there's just so much moisture in the air. So anything you can do to introduce heat elements or something to dry your room is good. Heaters and fans are great. These are fantastic. And there's even shower drying systems that are fantastic as well to all reduce the amount of moisture in your bathroom. Anytime you're running a dedicated circuit and putting something that uses electric heat, we have to ask the question, how much does it cost to run the heater? And we did calculations here. So in Oregon, this one costs about 1 cent an hour to run. So if I had it running 24 hours a day, it would run 24 cents a day. Now, you don't have to run it 24 hours a day. You could put it on the thermostat, so only when the temperature was a particular point would it kick on. Or you could run it on a timer. There's a lot of different ways to do it where you don't have to run it 24/7, but it's relatively inexpensive to run.
And there's really some great pros and very few cons about these towel warmers. And one of the most obvious pros is that it gives you a really warm, crisp, dry towel, and it's really aesthetically pleasing.
It's also going to kill bacteria in the towels because they're not hanging there all day wet and damp, which means you're not going to have to wash them as often. And that's going to save you water and energy from washing towels more often than you would need to if you were running this.
So one of the only real cons about this is the potential cost of doing it. Now, in order to install a heated towel rack like this, one that is installed on the wall, you gotta have a professional like us install it. It's gonna need a dedicated circuit because it's a heated unit. And so a potential cost for doing something like this, depending on the towel rack you purchase, could be anywhere from $1,200 to maybe $2,000.
Thanks for watching. Check out our Remodeling in Oregon channel for more videos that'll educate you about remodeling in your home.